All right, folks, welcome back to Broader Financial Future. In today's video, I'm going to discuss one of my favorite REIT dividend stocks, and that is Medical Property Trust, ticker MPW. Now, if you're not familiar with this company, it is a self advised real estate investment trust formed in 2003 to acquire and develop net lease hospital facilities. Basically, more so in the hospital REIT space. Long story short, they have properties all around the world with 431 facilities and roughly 43,000 licensed beds in 9 countries and across 4 continents. So they're basically all over the world, which is one of the things I like about this company. So, one of the first things we're going to look at is their credit rating. Typically, I like to look at a company credit rating, especially now. They have a Ba1. I like to see a B or higher, so it gets a check mark in my box here when I'm looking at dividend stocks. A couple things else I like to look at is their dividend yield. This stock has been taking a beating, so the dividend yield is high at 8%. I like 3% or more, and this is definitely checking off the box there. But a lot of stocks are dropping in value. This is just another one of those stocks, for better or worse. But as a dividend investor, I see buying opportunities for myself. And when I look at the dividend payout ratio, I like to look at 60% or lower. The trailing 12 months is about 60%, point 0.1. So I like the dividend payout ratio as well, specifically for this company. And unlike a lot of other REITs, they are continuing to grow their dividend even slowly, but they're still growing it. If you look at their 3-year dividend growth rate, it's about 3.18%. In addition, when I look at the return on equity, is about 13%. And this is one of the most important things I like to look at. When I look at its 52-week high, it was trading at $24.13. It dropped about 40%, so lost almost half of its value. So it's currently trading at 14.36 cents or $14.36. So it's definitely taken a huge dip in value there. And that's one of the reasons why I feel like it's trading at definitely a deep value, especially when you look at the 5-year chart. This is one of the charts I like to look at the most to see if this company actually up or down during that period. This company is actually still up if you bought this company 5 years ago at about 8%. In addition, if you look at when it dipped in 2020, it's basically around that March 2020 low. So it basically wiped off all its gains since then. But I feel like that's really the bottom of the stock, right? I don't think it's going to really dip too far under 14. It might touch 13 for a little bit, but I think that's really the low when it comes to MPW. I think right now it's trading at a great value. And I see the potential for it to go back up to at least 16, 17, or even $18. Um, Probably going to take a while to hit that $21 point because the market is very volatile at this moment. I don't see anything jumping up that high, that quick, that soon. But in the long run, I see a lot of potential here. And with having a strong dividend yield, I see a lot of potential for this particular company, especially for me as a dividend investor. I like this stock. I've been averaging down when it comes to the stock, so I'm still buying it um, in small quantities at the moment. So definitely one of my favorite REIT stocks. Has a high dividend yield. It's been pretty consistent when it comes to its dividend pay. They've been paying a dividend, I believe, for the past 9 consecutive years. So even when everything crashed in 2020, they continue to pay their dividends. So that's what I look at as well. At the end of the day, most people get sick in the hospital business. To me, it is a necessity. It's not like something that's, at the end of the day, people are just going to get sick. So, in my opinion, this is definitely one of my favorite REITs. Obviously, everything involves risk. So, make sure you do your own homework. Investments can be risky. As you can see, it's been very volatile. So it's important to always invest in what you believe in based off your own philosophies, right? It doesn't matter if you listen to me or someone else. You always want to know what you're investing in, what is your entry point, and what is your exit point. Because at the end of the day, that matters the most. So definitely do your research. I'm not a financial advisor. Any investment might involve risks. But before we get out of here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what is your favorite REIT companies out there. Are you buying MPW? Do you love MPW? What are some other REIT stocks I should look at? Until next time, everybody, peace.